Come test drive the 2025 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry. Your new ride is just a phone call away.